This is that inner bulkhead removed out of the boat, and this is what I'm talking about. Another example of a dry layup. This is all completely dry. You can see where the wood was only bonded right here. When Eric started to grind through this, he immediately realized that we were dealing with an extremely dry piece of laminate. Gary made up core, had some 7-pound density, and sent it over to Stanley. We got the glass cut for it, teamed up with Joe, got it under the bag, and we're getting this part vacuum infused. I came in this morning, took the bulkhead out of the bag. Eric cleaned it up, mellowed it out, got it fitted. I'm in after lunch, and we'll get it glassed in place. What we'll do is build this panel out with about 3 layers of 1708, might even take 4 or 5. How many got cut?
5.
Way to go, Eric. He's cut himself a series of layers of mat, starting with his largest piece out, and he'll bring it in, and then he'll taper his pieces in. He's left just enough to keep a working radius, and that's how come we didn't completely cut this off. All right, a lot of noise in here. I guess this is what they really call reality TV. Reality workshop. A little bit of a cross between this old boat and how it's made. Well, Eric has been diligently banging out our new forward bulkhead. He's in his final skim. A little body work to do there. And then we'll get going on reconstructing our deck lip. Not our deck lid, but our deck lip to receive our new deck that we just recently finished infusing.